Hello and welcome to the KSTAR BlueSpark series installation guide. This video provides a step-by-step overview of the installation process, including preparation, mounting, wiring, and system commissioning. Please note, this video is a supplementary guide. Always read the complete user manual carefully before installation, operation, or maintenance. Before installation, inspect all packages carefully. Check the external packaging for any damage. Unpack the boxes following the directional arrows. Check all accessories against the packing list, including communication cables, brackets, and bolts. Before installing the BlueSpark system, prepare all required tools and safety equipment. Safety first. Wear protective goggles, insulated gloves, safety shoes and a mask throughout the installation. Choose an installation site that meets the following conditions. Avoid direct sunlight, rain, and snow. For outdoor installations, an awning is required. Ensure adequate ventilation and working space. Clearance requirements: at least 300 mm on the top and both sides. At least 500 mm in front. For parallel systems, maintain 300 mm or more between units. The inverter and battery packs must be handled by 2 people. Lift the inverter using the designated load-bearing points. Use the side handles to remove the battery packs safely. Unscrew the fixing bolts between the base and the inverter. Then remove the battery base. Place the base horizontally near the wall. Adjust the distance between the base and wall according to surface flatness. Recommended distance between the base and the wall, 0-10 mm. If the wall is flat, and even 10-20 mm. If the wall is uneven, use a level to ensure the base is perfectly horizontal. Fix the rear bracket and base to the battery using the specified torque. Remove the bottom dust-proof strip. Keep the top strip in place. Place the battery securely onto the base. Drill wall holes and fix expansion bolts. Install decorative covers. Secure the wall brackets. Finally, remove the top dust-proof strip. For systems with 5 to 8 battery packs, a dual base layout is required. Install the expansion connection components between bases. Connect cross-cluster power cables until a click is heard. Use the special unlocking tool when disconnecting cables. Install all trim covers to ensure a clean appearance. Position the wall bracket and mark the bottom positioning holes. Place the cardboard template and mark the upper drilling points. Drill depth, 60 millimeters. Diameter, 10 millimeters. Tighten expansion bolts. Torque, 3.5 Nm. Install side brackets. Torque, 4 Nm M5. Lift the inverter and place it steadily on top of the uppermost battery module. Tighten the screws connecting the battery and the inverter. Torque, 1.5 Nm. Secure the mounting brackets to the wall to ensure a stable installation. Torque, 3.5 Nm. Prepare the PE cable using a copper green-yellow grounding wire. Crimp the OT terminal, and apply heat shrink tubing. Fix the grounding cable to the inverter PE terminal, using the specified torque. Grid SUI EPS cable connection. Strip the cables to the correct length. Crimp OT terminals securely. Connect cables to grid and EPS terminals, and fasten firmly. Use appropriate PV cables and MC4 connectors. Perform pull-out tests after crimping. Verify polarity and voltage before connection. Connect PVE and PVE until a click is heard. Install the data logger to the COM port. Connect RS485 communication cables, according to pin definitions. Install the smart meter and CTS according to system configuration. Verify wiring using the system wiring diagram. Connect AC and communication cables, according to the parallel wiring diagram. Verify all connections before power on. Follow the power on sequence carefully. Close the battery side circuit breaker and long press the battery power button. Turn on the inverter PV switch. Close the external PV isolator. Close the grid side circuit breaker. Close the backup circuit breaker. Check LED indicators to confirm normal startup.